Tay, you choose which way we going first. Reptiles?
There's a snake eater.
Let's go. Snake eater. Let's check it out. Oh, that's what we came here for.
We're the Solo family.
We are going to Tiger World for the first time. Enter here for reptiles.
Tay, we go this way. Oh, whoa. What is that? Baby tiger. Hey, baby tiger. It's a half cat, half tiger, Tay. Hey, stop picking his butt. We're recording. Yeah, there's like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 peacocks from this vantage point. I know. I want to be just like him. Yo, what's up, peacock? See how close I can get. Let me see if I can pet him.
I don't know you love.
Wait! He's not gonna eat a leaf, Tay. Oh, got it out. Ow! I'm just kidding. He said this is a Lion King monkey? Is that what they're called? Oh, look, they even have names. This one's Jacob.
Oh, right there. See?
Jacob, what's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? How you doing? What's this? What is this? Peace offering? What is it? I'll take it. Hey, why are you messing with me? I can't even get it. Well, his belly's moving, yeah. He just like ate the nuts and dropped the shells out of his mouth. He didn't even have to use his hands. Oh, and he's getting mad. He's like stomping. It says no running, staring, smiling, yelling, touching, hugging.
Yeah.
They're all signs of aggression. When you smile, you are showing us how big your teeth are. When you look at us straight in the eyes, we take that as a challenge.
No wonder he was like this.
Yeah.
You know.
He's like, hey, what about me? What about me, guys? Yo. Alright, good night. Whoa, he's excited.
Ready?
Look at his butt. I found his funny butt.
He got it.
Look at his butt.
This guy. Oh, man. Yeah.
Guy.
Look at the big tail.
Long hair, long.
Let's horse race. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Whoa, you are so fast. We're racing. Amelia is way too fast. She's gonna win. Let's see if she can climb on that. Молодец. You want to hold it? Hold it. Don't lose it, okay? Don't drop it. Hold it. Hey, don't spill it. Let him try to eat it from the cup. Just hold it there. See if he'll come to the cup. Here's your surprise. We're gonna do something. Look at mom. Just look at mom. Tickle, 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 tickle.
Oi, babe. I can't see her. Aww. You're so cute.
Mila, your turn.
Nathan, you want to
Do you
try?
want to see?
Let's see how
Go.
far. Oh, you just hit her head.
Sorry.
Whoa. That's so cool.
Whoa.
Now my turn.
He looks pretty cranky. Что ты там видела? He's contemplating something. Can't decide what to do. Just trying to figure out if you should play with a stuffed teddy bear or stuffed penguin. Hey, yo, did your pool dry out? Huh?
Yep.
Is that why you're looking away? Because you're mad? Okay. Okay. Right there, right here. Tete, right here. run, chicken, run!
Cereal.
I find horses at the dam.
They're spiky.
I know. I'm gonna have the same hairdo. I'm inspired. You scared it. Right behind you. Whoa, that is a big leaf. It's like as big as your head. Whoop! Tutu, Amelia.
Club soda right here.
Nice.
I found another one.
Whoa, let's go check it out.
Why they're doing that? Volleyball.
They're eating the volleyball.
Waving. They don't listen.
Good job.
Let's go. Carry her the rest of the time. Go. I'm recording. Yay! Let's go check out Blancfasa. Blancfasa. Oh, he got a free peanut. He doesn't look interested. I think he wants your iPhone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Man, good upper arm strength. Needs to train me. My wife thought I was a police officer. They're practicing for an event.
Aw, Mama, she's laying down.
됐다 됐다 됐다.